Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight. Today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful 1 carat princess cut diamond engagement ring in a lotus basket. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, see everything that it comes with. We'll take a look at the diamond, we'll take a look at the price, and we'll take a look at the diamond in a variety of lighting conditions so you can really see what this thing looks like in real life. So the diamond shows up in a very incognito box. You would never know there was a diamond inside. You have to sign for the package when it arrives. So it's not going to be left on your doorstep. You have to physically sign for the package. And when we remove the ring box here from the cardboard box, you can see a nice little protective sleeve. And then we have the beautiful James Allen box here in front of us. Now this is a very nice box, little embossed logo there on the top that you can see. Very beautiful packaging, and you can see on the front it has a little magnetic door with a little pink pull tab, and when you open that up, that reveals the ring there on the top, as well as a little drawer there on the bottom that houses some paperwork. So let's go ahead and take a look at all what's inside. Take a little sneak peek at the diamond, and as you can see, it is looking absolutely fantastic. Very, very nice presentation. Love the red James Allen box. When I proposed to my fiance, this box popped so much in the photos. It looked really nice. So they do a great job with presentation, and you can see the ring there, and don't worry, we're going to get some really close-up shots outside so you guys can see all the particular little details, but until we get there, let's go ahead and just take a look at what else is in the box. So setting the ring off to the side, we have this little drawer here on the bottom with another one of those pink pull tabs. And in the drawer, we have a little James Allen cleaning cloth. Very nice for them to include this. Has a little logo on it. You can use it to clean up your ring, take any smudges off of your diamond. It works good to get like fingerprints and stuff off, or if you're putting lotion on your hands, can clean some of that off the diamond and make it nice and sparkly. In this little envelope here that's snugly into the drawer, you can see on top we have an envelope. This has all your personal info, how much you paid for the ring, the specifics of the ring, and the shipping and all that. So I'm not going to show that on video, but this right here is the most important part. This is your diamond report, and this is the exact report to the diamond that you picked on the website. So when you purchase from James Allen, you browse through the diamonds, and you pick the exact diamond that's going to go into your ring. And you can see all the specifications there on the chart. And this is a certified report that's actually showing all the characteristics of the diamond. So it's from IGI. So it's either going to be GIA, AGS, or IGI. Those are the most common. So you're going to get that report. We also have a quality assurance paper here from Max. Thank you, Max, for that. We have a little lab diamond brochure here, which is great. And then we have a little advertisement here for 30% off on a wedding band. So that's great that they include that. Now, this ring is a lab diamond. And so I want to show you guys the price first of exactly what I paid in the setting. And at any point, if you guys want to take a look at the setting on James Allen's website or take a look at their diamonds or any of their other engagement rings, I will have a link to them down in the video description. You guys can click on that link and browse through, but I'll have that exact setting that you're seeing in this video. So if you want to reference that or use that to build a ring, to take a look at your different options, I will have that link down below. Now, in terms of price, this ring cost $3,310. This was with the diamond and the setting together, tax, free shipping, everything together cost $3,300. Now, there's two different items on the order. The first thing is the setting, 14K white gold pave knife edge lotus basket. That is the setting that you're seeing the diamond in. So that has one part of the price, and then the next part was the actual diamond. It's a lab created princess cut diamond, 1.02 carat, G in color, VVS2 in clarity. So those two items together add up to $3,310. You can see the setting there, $1,510. The diamond, $1,940. So if you were to do a natural diamond, this would be quite a bit more expensive, but because it's created with a lab diamond, it's quite a bit cheaper. So let's go ahead and take a look at the diamond and the setting out in some natural sunlight. This was taken right around 7:30. The sun's going down. It's that nice golden time of the evening, and you can see that the diamond looks absolutely fantastic. This is a perfect example of how a lab diamond can cost less than $2,000 and still look absolutely stunning. You know, lab diamonds are quite a bit less expensive than natural diamonds. It's completely up to you whether you want to go natural or lab. I'm not here to try to persuade you to go one way or the other, because they're both diamonds. They both look fantastic. It's just really what's worth it to you. Some people really value natural diamonds, which is great. Go the natural route. You have to pay a little bit more, but you can go the natural route. Or if you're someone who just likes the overall look of a diamond, you don't so much care about the origin of the diamond, then a lab diamond can be a fantastic option. So this is a lab diamond. You can see that it looks absolutely stunning. And we have all those little details in the band itself with those smaller diamonds around the band, and you can see they're sparkling as well. Just a really, really good looking engagement ring. And now look at the setting. You can see all these little intricate details there on the knife edge band with the little dotted pattern going along the edges there. A very, very fine detail, and this just goes to show how these settings from James Allen, these little more premium settings that cost, around $1,500, they're very intricate, they have a lot of detail, and they're executed very, very well. Another thing that I really like about this is that the hardware that's holding all of the smaller diamonds on that pave band is not really visible. It actually kind of matches the overall design of the ring with the textured pattern. So you don't see a lot of, hardware holding those diamonds in. And that's oftentimes with halo engagement rings or any type of pave ring. I like to see minimal hardware. I like to see more diamond and less hardware and less prongs holding those diamonds. So this does a really great job of showing that. And if we take a look at the top there as I readjust the camera, you can see that beautiful lotus basket holding that princess cut. Now you can go with different shaped diamonds, but you can see just that little bit of detail there of holding the actual diamond just gives the engagement ring a little bit more of a custom look. So I think this ring, really, really looks fantastic. It's very breathtaking, very bold with all that sparkle, with all the smaller diamonds, the large center stone, very much, in focus because it is just the center stone there on the top. It really comes into focus quickly, and you're staring at that large 1-carat diamond. I think this is a really, really great combination. Now, this next clip I wanted to show you, this is in a little bit softer lighting. You can see that I'm actually under a tree, so I have sunlight around me, but I'm actually in the shade. And this really brings out that clear crystal view of the diamond. Just looks fantastic. I just get so excited catching these shots and sharing these with you guys because these diamonds just look amazing. Now, one of the things I wanted to do was to show you this diamond here on the website versus like what it looked on the website versus what it looks like in real life. So let me go ahead and pull up the diamond. This is the exact diamond when I was shopping, putting this engagement ring together. This was the exact diamond that I chose based off of these photographs. And this diamond in these photographs is the exact diamond that you're seeing in real life. So that's one of the great things about James Allen is that when you're actually picking a diamond from their website, you're not just picking, oh, I'd like, this clarity, this color, and then they just send you any random diamond that they have. It's not like that. You're getting the exact diamond that they're showing images of. So here you can see side by side, this is on the website, this is in real life, this is what it looked like on the website, and this is what it looked like when I actually received it in real life. So in my opinion, it actually captured it really well, and you can see in this lighting, it looks fantastic, and it really captures that sparkle in real life. So very good translation. I would say it's very accurate from the website to the real life actual view of the diamond itself. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you're looking to get an engagement ring from James Allen, I have to say that I bought my fiance's engagement ring from there. I've been very pleased with it, and I have a ton of videos on the engagement ring that I got my fiance on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to look at any of those videos, I also have some like 1-year update videos after she's been wearing it for a year, what it looks like, and just going through a ton of different information. So if you're looking to get a ring from James Allen, like I said, I will have a link to this one down in the video description, and I also have a ton of other info on my channel if you guys want to check that out. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.